Many people seek chiropractic care when they're in pain, but long-term natural pain relief often means staying mobile. Just like getting your teeth cleaned or staying up to date on vaccinations, maintaining the health of your spine is essential to your overall wellness. As your body transitions from acute pain to stabilization, the goal then becomes prevention, keeping your spine healthy to avoid future issues. Regular chiropractic maintenance care, combined with stretching and staying active, helps keep your body aligned and reduces the potential for pain to return. The spine needs to stay mobile to adapt to the stress we put on it every day. Regular maintenance care with your chiropractor encourages mobility. At Carolina's Chiropractic, we help keep you in motion, in a safe, controlled environment so you can enjoy a healthier, pain-free life. Don't give pain a chance to make a comeback. Make chiropractic maintenance care a part of your wellness routine. Your body will thank you. To receive your own personalized chiropractic maintenance plan, schedule your visit at our offices in Waxhaw or Pineville. Call 704-243-1010 or visit carolinaschiropractic.com. At Carolina's Chiropractic, we're more than just an adjustment.